Hey everyone, Bronte here. Welcome to my first ever Clean and Decorate for Christmas with me. I am so excited about this video, and welcome if you are new here. I am so excited to have all of you here and to be doing this video. Oh my gosh, this has been a long time coming and I am so excited to share it with you guys. We are going to start decorating my house. I don't finish decorating today, but I do get quite a bit done, and I'm going to decorate my main living area and my dining and kitchen area as well. If you are new, do not forget to stick around and subscribe to my channel for all things cleaning, lifestyle, and motherhood, and I have new videos up every single week. First things first, we need to get the house picked up and cleaned up before we get decorating. And I'm going to start in the kitchen by doing some dishes, loading the dishwasher, and getting the kitchen all nice and cleaned up so that we can decorate. Typically after I do the dishes, I have to clean my sink because it's super porous and gets really dingy and gross super easy. So I'm using a Clorox cleanup spray with bleach in it, and then I'm also using a bottle brush to scrub all the nooks and crannies around the sink and to scrub the sink drain as well, get it all nice and clean. And then when I clean my counters, my stovetop, and pretty much every surface in the kitchen and dining area, I'm going to be using this mixture of apple cider vinegar and hot water to get everything all clean and disinfected, but on a more natural level. I mean, I do use bleach, obviously, and unnatural cleaning products, but vinegar is a great cleaning solution to disinfect, and it gets really good grease and grime up super easy. If you are new, do not forget to stick around. I have a ton of fun videos planned. I have more clean and decorate videos where I clean and decorate the upstairs as well, because I did not get all of my decorating finished because I'm a mom of two. I have a 1.5-year-old and I have a 4.5-year-old, and mom duty called, so I wasn't able to get everything checked off my to-do list. But I hope that this video gets you up and motivated to get stuff checked off your to-do list, whether it's just to unload the dishwasher, put up some holiday decor, wipe down your counters. I hope that this video is getting you motivated to do all of that stuff. So in order for us to fit the Christmas tree in our living room, I have to take down my dog's crate. It's fine though, because it is such an eyesore anyways. So I'm just gonna take down the dog crate before I get started cleaning up the living room, because I'm gonna have to move the couch to fit the Christmas tree in our living room. You do what you gotta do, am I right?
You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we'll just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out, singing like
couch has been moved, things have been straightened and cleaned up. Are y'all ready to get to decorating? I am so excited to get started because I love decorating my house for Christmas. I feel like it just feels so cozy and homey and joyous when all of the Christmas decor up. So let's get some Christmas music cranking and let's get to work. First things first, we are gonna decorate with the art ledge. We're gonna start small. I built this art ledge with the help of my husband and I'm super proud of it and I love decorating it. So I'm just gonna put some white candles in these candle holders, switch out some of the pictures for more Christmassy stuff, put up some garland that I got from the Target dollar spot. I did a Target dollar haul recently and I got this Merry Christmas frame with a Christmas tree and this garland there, and I just thought they were so cute. They're more minimalistic than the stuff that I have, and I just thought it was a perfect little pop of Christmas without being too overpowering for this thin shelf, and I hope that you guys like it as much as I do. If you are like me and you do not have a fireplace in your home, you can get your very own faux fireplace on your TV. If you go to Netflix and you search fire or fireplace in the search tab, it gives you that nice ambiance of having a fire without the commitment of actually having a fire in a fireplace to give you that Christmas vibe while you're decorating. So crank on your Christmas music, go search for a fire on Netflix and get to work, sister. I don't go all out with my decor, but I do love decorating for Christmas and bringing Christmas joy to my house for my kids. This is one of my favorite pieces this year that I got from the Target dollar spot. It's a Christmas countdown calendar and it is so adorable. It was only $5. I wanted one last year, but they didn't have them when I went to go buy one, so I'm stoked that I scored it this year. You're gonna see me climbing on stuff a lot in this video to decorate, and that's just how it's gonna be because I don't have a short enough ladder to decorate inside and my step stool is too small. We're gonna get the tree out today, but we are not decorating it today because that is one of our family Christmas traditions. We decorate it all together, but I'm gonna get it out and I'm gonna fluff it up and get it all ready for when we do decide to decorate.
Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I get done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away. Right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show.
Like I said, climbing on everything to get stuff decorated and get stuff done. At first I thought that this garland was gonna look great on top of the cabinets, and while it didn't look horrible, I just felt like I needed to buy more garland to cover every cabinet once that was up, so I decided to change it up and put the garland over the window in our kitchen area above our sink, and I really loved how this turned out. While command hooks probably would have been a better solution for hanging and less long-term commitment, I decided a hammer and nails in that moment was a good idea. Now I have to patch holes when I'm all done with the Christmas stuff. But what is your favorite part of Christmas decor? What do you love putting up? My favorite part is getting the tree up because I feel like that just is Christmas right there once the tree is up and decorated, and it just adds that Christmas vibe. I love having my tree up. I would probably keep it up all year round if I could, because it just gives my house such a cozy feeling. So what is your favorite part of decorating for the holidays? What part do you love putting up? I want to know down below. Or what things do you do? What family traditions do you have in your house? Like ours is decorating the tree all together. I don't decorate it by myself. My husband and my kids always help, and we let them pick out a new ornament each year, and we write their name on it and write the year that they picked it out. And it's so funny to look back and see what Tegan has picked. This will be Kingsley's first year doing her own ornament, but he has like a random cow, he has a lion. There's just funny stuff, and I love looking back and seeing what has changed over the years. What are your family traditions? I want to know down below so that maybe I can adopt them for our family.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
So like I said in the beginning of the video, I did not get all of my Christmas decor put out like I had planned to. But that's just mom life. I had to cook dinner, I had to do stuff with the kids, and I naturally made a huge mess while I was decorating and had to vacuum up glitter and vacuum up parts of the Christmas tree. And I'm using my Shark Rocket upright vacuum, which is an affordable vacuum, and it works so well. So if you are trying to find a Christmas gift for somebody on your Christmas list, this is a great gift, and it is always on sale on Black Friday, so be on the lookout for it. I'm obsessed with it. I would buy this vacuum again 110%. If you are new, do not forget to stick around for more clean and decorate videos, and I have a bunch of fun DIYs coming up. I have grocery hauls on my channel. We're going to be doing updates to our kitchen, which I cannot wait to share with you guys, and I obviously cannot wait to get done. So hit that subscribe button and stick around and join us. We would love to have you, and I am so incredibly thankful to you guys who come back and watch my videos, for clicking on my video and watching it. It seriously means the world to me, and it warms my heart so much to have you guys stick around. I love getting to know you in the comments, so don't forget to come say hi. If you are new around here, introduce yourself. I'd love getting to know you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day and that this video got you the motivation to get some of your cleaning done or to decorate.
Each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day